Happy Tuesday, nukes. Nukes. What a week. It's only Tuesday. My goodness. Today, I'd like to talk about, let's talk some nuclear, baby. Specifically, let's talk about the cost. Oh, it's too expensive. Oh no. We have to spend money for clean energy? Wait, can't we just build solar because it's cheap and it's commissioned so quick and it doesn't take up so much land and safety and all that? Yeah, sure, let's do that and let's see what happens. Well, we did that and now we're seeing what's happening and we're noticing that it's not working. Sure, it's working sometimes. It's working when the sun's out. Oh, but Mike, we're going to store the energy and then we're going to use it tomorrow. All right. I'll believe it when I see it. Oh, but China's doing it. All right. I don't live in China. Great. Cool. Okay. So let's talk about ROI, right? Because you got to invest to get rich. So you got to invest in some stuff if you want good stuff, right? So you invest in nuclear. And in the long term, what people don't realize is nuclear ends up being cheaper than any form of baseload power. Not wind, not solar, but power generation that has a high enough baseload to keep your lights on when you need them on. Okay? Nuclear is that. They have planned outages and then they have refueling outages when the plant is powered down, and that's about it. Let's talk about Vogtle, since I only have a minute left. Vogtle is a piss poor example of how we go about building nuclear power plants in the US, in my personal opinion. Why? Because let's take Palisades, for example, in Covert, Michigan. Palisades, which is being recommissioned, and yours truly is involved in that. It's very exciting. Let's talk about when it was built. Well, they started construction in 1967 and they finished it in 1971. It's 4 years. How much did it cost? I don't have that stat, but it wasn't $30 billion like Vogtle was. Let's cut the corruption, cut the politics out of it. Of course, it needs to be safe. The community needs to speak on it, but nothing costs $30 billion. Let's be better. Go nuke.